Hello and welcome to the shed. In today's video I'm answering a question that I got in the comments asking about whether the Melbourne Tool Company hand plane blade, so from their low angle range, fits into the Luban Low angle hand plane. And in this case we'll check whether the Luban one fits in the Melbourne Tool Company one as well. I believe this is mainly due to the fact that there's some limitations to getting blades in the United States, but I also know that Melbourne Tool Company offers a couple of different angled blades, which Luban just has the single fixed angle. So let's jump in and see if it works. So we have both of the, I believe it's number 62 low angle equivalents of the Stanley ones in our Luban over here and our Melbourne Tool Company one here. So we can see there are a few differences in the caps and stuff on these. If you're interested in some of the differences between these two, I did do a complete comparison video on them, so I'll leave that down below. Let's take out the Luban blade and see if our Melbourne Tool Company one fits. So now we can see here it sort of fits. It needs to be adjusted down quite a bit more than the Luban blade. One thing, and I'm not sure if you can see this, so let me bring it in nice and close. If we look just here, the pin on the Luban one is a little bit smaller than the one on the Melbourne Tool Company one, and so we can see there's a little bit of movement in here. Now, does it mean it's not going to operate? No, but there is an ever so slight slop in here. You might be able to wrap a bit of tape or something around this pin to prevent that if you did want the Melbourne Tool Company blades in the Luban hand plane. But we can see it does sort of work. Now, over here we'll see that this one is not going to be able to fit in here because the hole is smaller. So the Melbourne Tool Company one will fit in the Luban with a bit of slop. We'll see how if it actually operates. But we can see that the Luban blade does not fit in the Melbourne Tool Company hand plane. Now, there's not a lot in the size, and so if you did want to get a Luban blade to fit in your Melbourne Tool Company one, you could probably drill that hole out slightly. It's not something that I would do because I've got both, and you know, the Melbourne Tool Company blades or Melbourne Tool Company hand planes come with different offerings of blades, but I just wanted to show it that way. So let's just get the Melbourne Tool Company one out of the way. Let's adjust. We'll see if we can adjust the Luban hand plane with the lever cap in here. So, so it looks like the Melbourne Tool Company blade is a little bit thicker than the Luban one, and so we can't actually get the cap of the Luban to actually slide in. And for those of you who are wondering, maybe we could undo this screw here. The reason we can't is that these are not actually a screw. I'll show you. They're designed to be threaded right in. What they are is just a threaded little pin. So they're actually designed to be screwed all the way in, and they're not adjustable like you would have on a normal hand plane. So we can't, well, I mean, theoretically you could loosen that, but the whole thing is not going to work very well, and it'll probably break the threads, I would suggest, if you actually did that to get it to fit. So it is something that maybe you could look at doing, but I wouldn't recommend it. So the main reason that I wanted to actually do a video on this, I know it's just a quick little video, but I wanted to actually depict because I felt it easier to actually show you what's going on and the differences between these two hand planes and their blades, rather than just talking about it in text form. It's just easier for you to actually visualize it, in my opinion, so that's why I did this quick little video on this. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe down below. While you're down there, do sound off in the comments. And if you've got any other suggestions of maybe some blades that actually fit in either of these planes, if you have them, do leave that down below to help people out that are looking for some other blades. And until next time, bye for now.